the most amazing 3D printed vehicles that actually move. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Divergent Blade. One notable feature of the Divergent Blade 3D printed car is that it possesses better power-to-weight ratio than other Formula One racing cars, all thanks to its super strong and lightweight innards. Designed by Kevin Czinger, the Divergent Blade incorporates 3D printed nodes, which are connected by carbon fiber tubing into the chassis. The adoption of this system results in industrial-strength frame and makes it easy to assemble the two-seater rocket in a matter of minutes. As the car uses a 3D printed aluminum alloy material for the chassis and body, the overall weight is about 630 kilograms. Strati. Strati is a dynamic 3D printed car created by Local Motors and is often referred to as the first 3D printed car. Its whole body is made using FDM 3D printers, but the entire car isn't 3D printed as the wheels and battery are made with the use of a different manufacturing technology. The major rationale behind building the car was to develop a car with reduced number of parts and also lesser cost of production. The two-seater car was manufactured in only 44 hours and is more of a neighborhood electric car. It isn't suitable for use on highways since it has not satisfied the stipulated safety test requirements. Shelby Cobra. The Shelby Cobra was developed by Oak Ridge National Laboratory, ORNL. For its printing, the Cincinnati Incorporated's Big Area Additive Manufacturing Machine, BAM, was used. BAM is a 3D printer which allows the creation of a strong, huge, and lightweight composite parts without a requirement for tooling. The car is adequately loaded with experimental technologies, and this makes it a similitude of a laboratory on wheels. Forikolka. The Forikolka is a compact 3D printed car. The designer, Peter Chladek, said that the car was designed to be an inexpensive and safe car which is usable all year round. The car is designed for a maximum of 2 people and has a maximum speed of 55 kilometers per hour. It perfectly exhibits all the advantages associated with 3D printed cars, including affordability and weight reduction. Daihatsu Copen. The production of the Daihatsu Copen Roadster dates as far back as 2012 and was designed by Junji Sun and Kota Nezu. One interesting feature of this 3D printed car is that it has some added elements for customization because a Stratasys Fortis 450MC 3D printer was utilized to produce 12 different types of 3D effect skins in 10 different color variations. These decorative effect skins are printed in high UV stability ASA thermoplastic, which allows customers to change them as well as customize them when they desire.